May question tayo dito. After purchasing ng MaxiCare Prima Gold, ilang days ang hihintayin bago magamit ang card? To purchase, go to my profile and then yung link dyan sa bio, you will be directed to MaxiCare online store. After purchasing, may matatanggap kayong email for the reference code. Register nyo lang. Once successful registered, you will receive your MaxiCare Prima Gold electronic health card, e-card via email along with your policy and card number via SMS. So once you receive your e-card, you may avail of your unlimited consultation and laboratory tests as soon as you receive your MaxiCare Prima Gold. So madaling salita, once na ma-register or natanggap nyo na yung email na ito na e-card, magagamit nyo na agad yung consultation and lab test sa loob ng MaxiCare Primary Care Clinic. For emergency care benefit, it will be activated 15 days after successful registration. At my physical card, i-deliver sa inyo 15 to 30 days.